see I taped the string onto them. So what this experiment is going to show is that the water is going to stick to the strings. So we're going to be able to pour the water into here without actually pouring it, but the string is going to carry the water. So I want them to see that you could do different stuff with different things to have different reactions. So not because these kind of look like whenever you make the walkie-talkies with the two cans, we know that the string carries the vibration from one can to the other so the other person can hear it. So we're going to do this exact same thing, only we're going to do it with water. So this is going to be our thing that transports the water, because the water molecules are going to stick to the string. So I'm going to show them how that works so they can see it, and then maybe later on we'll do that whole can walkie-talkie thingy. But for now we're going to do this. So all I'm doing now is I'm going to pour some water. This is just water. Don't move it, right? It's just water. So we're going to pour. All right. So wait, Leo, sit please.
Wait.
Thank you.
That water?
Yeah, that's water. So that's water. Water. You see the water?
Yeah.
Water. Now we're going to put color. Say color. Yeah.
Me too.
Listen, no wait. Oh, you want to pour it? Okay, pour the color in there. Chris goes first. Put 1, 2, 3 drops. Good job. Okay, now Leo turn. Okay. What color is this, Chris?
Red.
Okay, so we put red for Chris, and Leo gets. What color is that, Leo?
Red.
No, this is blue.
Blue.
You should know that. Okay, wait. Now you're gonna do it. Ready? Pour it in there. Squeeze. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops. Yay! Oh. It's okay. Come on, let's do it again. It's okay. We're gonna wash our hands. Don't worry about it. Come here. Let's do it again.
What happened to this?
Squeeze it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Let's give a hand to Leo for doing it. Yay, Leo. Clap your hand. And you get a hand too. And yay, Chris. Okay, leave it there. Okay. Don't touch. Okay, sit down, please. Sit down. Okay, now we're going to pour the water. Come here, Chris. Yeah, we're going to pour water in there. Okay, hold the water. Hold the water and pour. When I tell you to stop, you stop, okay? Go ahead. Up. Go on. You can pour it. Pour it. Go ahead. Pour it. Stop. We're gonna put it. Yeah. Now it's Leo's turn. Now Leo's gonna turn. See it? The water turned red, right? Chris. Go, Leo. Go. Okay, stop. Good job. What color did it turn?
Purple.
No, blue. Look at your hands. They're blue. Right? So now we have blue and red, right? Okay. Watch this. Ready? Sit down, and then you're gonna do it, right? So I'm gonna do it first, all right? So watch. I'm going to take this water here, and I'm gonna, sit down, Leo, please. Thank you. Okay, watch, look. Leo, look at me. Hey, watch. I'm gonna take this water into this cup without pouring it. It's gonna use the string to travel. Watch. You ready? Ready, watch. See? Leo, don't touch that. See? Because guess what's happening? The water is sticking to the string. And look, Leo. Isn't that cool?
Me too.
Yes, you're gonna do it next, okay? So we're gonna take turns doing this, okay? Look at that, isn't that cool? Look at that.